Cornix versus 3COMMAS. Best crypto trading bot. I'm going to tell you which crypto trading bot is better between Cornix and 3COMMAS. Cornix is built for traders who rely on Telegram and Discord signals. It connects directly to those groups and automates trades based on their calls. Great for people who want to follow experts without managing the trades manually. It's beginner friendly, fast to set up, and works well if you're not building your own strategy. 3COMMAS is more advanced. It lets you create bots with your own rules, run backtests, and use tools like Smart Trade or TradingView integration. It's ideal if you want control over how and when your trades are executed, with support for more exchanges and more bot types. So if you like signal-based automation, Cornix is the plug. If you want to design your own trades, 3COMMAS is the better choice.